Hey everybody, I'm Ben, and today I am looking at and redoing a um, model railroad that is size Z, I believe. I haven't really got into it very much. This was given to my son from I think like a great great uncle type thing. So what we're doing is we're gonna kind of go through this thing and see if I can get anything to work on this unit. You can see we've got a power supply here, and I believe this is another power supply, it looks like, here, and then there's some switches and some different ways that you can change some of the tracks. So there's quite a bit of detail in this small little scale. What the plan is what I'd like to do is kind of maybe do away with this type of thing, mount it up underneath or something similar. And then I'd like to get a glass case maybe built around this type of thing. Build a nice little wooden platform or something like that, and make it so people could actually use this, put like maybe a quarter machine in it, and it'll rotate around. So you can see there's a little bit of damage here and there on this type of thing. Not huge, but I think something definitely fixable. I mean, we can glue some some pieces of bark on there. Um, you can kind of see that there are some issues with some track pieces every now and then. You can see those wires. I don't even have a clue where those wires go, but they are small, very very small. So a lot of this is going to be actually just trying to get the track, put back down and oil it up and make sure that it kind of works everywhere. I mean, you can definitely tell that this is one of the leads for power. There's a couple pieces missing. It looks like that goes there, and I don't know where that goes. There's another piece here. I don't know if there were two pieces across the track. Yeah, it looks like that might be the case. Where this big piece goes, I have no idea. So it's kind of cool, but there's also quite a bit of work here that needs to be done on this board. So that is a little project that we've got going on. It's been on my to-do list now for probably 3, maybe 4 years. We're going to try to get this done and see if we can get it running. So I'm Ben, and make sure to follow this channel if you want to see some more updates on what we've actually gotten done.